equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of changing the closure system on your Thermomix TM5. This is an essential maintenance task that ensures your appliance operates safely and efficiently. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM5. Safety is paramount, so ensure it is completely disconnected from the power source. Next, remove the bowl and lid from the machine. This will give you better access to the closure system. Now, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the device. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back cover off the Thermomix. Be cautious not to force it, as this could damage the internal components. With the cover removed, you will see the closure mechanism. Take a moment to inspect it for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice any issues, it's time to replace the closure system. Carefully detach the old closure by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. Remember to keep track of these screws as well. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Once the old closure is removed, take the new closure system and align it with the screw holes. Secure it in place by tightening the screws with your Phillips screwdriver. Ensure it is firmly attached, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could cause damage. After the new closure is installed, it's a good idea to clean the internal area of your Thermomix. Use the soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain the appliance's performance and longevity. Now, replace the back cover of the Thermomix. Align it properly and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight and in place. Finally, plug your Thermomix TM5 back in and test the new closure system. Open and close it a few times to ensure it operates smoothly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice on what to do next. If you prefer not to tackle this yourself, we also offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient service at your doorstep. And that's it. You've successfully changed the closure system on your Thermomix TM5. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your appliance and keep it running at its best. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.